Well, Peter Townson is from the Doha Center for Media Freedom. He joins me now. Thank you for being with us. Now, the three Al Jazeera journalists who have been on trial, they begin the defense of their case with their lawyers in court starting this Thursday. Well, what can we expect from that, and what are the prospects for them being eventually released?
Well, we expect them to show that some of the evidence that has been shown so far is totally unrelated to the case. And the main point is to prove that they were there doing their jobs as journalists. They haven't committed any criminal offences. And we are hopeful that we will see a positive resolution to the case in the near future.
And there's been an extensive ongoing media campaign in social media as well to raise awareness about their case, and I know your organisation has been involved in that as well. Has any of that made a difference, though, as far as the authorities in Egypt?
We can't be sure of that, but we've seen from other similar cases in the past that keeping these sorts of stories in the headlines, keeping the spotlight on what is going on, not only boosts the morale of the journalists involved, but it can also put some pressure on to hopefully lead to a speedy resolution.
Do you think that there's more that some foreign governments could be doing specifically to this case? I mean, we know Mohammed Fahmy has joint Egyptian-Canadian citizenship. There's been some criticism that the Canadian government could have done more here. Could the Australian government, of which Peter Greste is a citizen, could have done more?
We can't be sure of the discussions that have been going on behind the scenes. But the outpouring of support from both those countries that you mentioned, and all across the world really, has been a really strong campaign. Like I said, we don't know what the politicians have been doing, but yeah, we just hope to keep awareness up of this case and keep pressure, and hopefully we'll see them released as soon as possible.
All right, Peter Townson, thanks very much for your time.
Thank you very much.
Now, anti-government protesters